glasses that I was talking about. They can either do glasses, as in prescription glasses, or sunglasses, and they 3D scan your face with some new technology, so everything is made to your size and everything is of the highest quality. You can just take a look at a few of the little things here. For example, this. The quality is actually really nice. You can see it. I've actually picked these sunglasses over here, and they're going to be engraved on the inside with my name as well. So you'll be able to see them soon, but you'll also be able to see where they've actually taken the scan of my face. But it's just a really unique brand. I think it's really cool. I mean, look at this. This is part of the new denim collection. How cute is this? You can see they've got lots of different bits and pieces, but I really like these here because they're sparkly. How cute is this? So you can just see, we've got some really nice little bits and pieces, more sparkle over here. Gaia and Terra jewellery. We've got some really pretty pieces. I think these pieces will be really cute for summer. And as you can see, everything's really unique. I mean, look at the rings. They're just really cute. And even this one, it's really nice. So as you can see, it's such a beautiful day. I'm out and today I'm wearing a jumper. There's no need for a coat, but the sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. I haven't got any meetings today, so it's just chilled out, I think, unless I get an email in a little bit saying, Layla, where are you? So yeah, I'm just gonna go and get a few bits and pieces done, get some things done for the blog, take some photos. Got a lot to catch up in the evening on the blog. I've got some posts to do and emails to go through and get things ready for this week. So yeah, I'll take you with me and I'm gonna go and have a fun day. So yeah, you'll come with me. As you can see, look how beautiful the day is. I love it when the sun shines. It makes such a difference. This is a set, and inside it's like this. It's a gift set for Christmas. This is a body butter and a hand cream, which you can see here, along with this, but the products are in here. They've moved in a cute little Christmas box. And this too, this is really sweet. That's a best-selling product. Oh, you can hang this one on the Christmas tree. Grinch, look, it's you, it's you. Ice cream time. It's good. It's cold. We've got gloves on, but we're having having ice cream. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy it now. See you later. So I've just come back from London. As you can see, it's really cold today. So, and behind me is the office. So I've just come back to get a few bits and pieces because I've got to take a few photos for the blog. So I've just got some things to get from there. And I just thought I'll update you because I just came back from London. I had a really nice evening. It was really, really sweet. And I saw a few fireworks, even though fireworks night, bonfire night, is not today. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and get a few bits and pieces. I'm wearing my hoodie. There, I'm wearing my hoodie. I look cool. I've got my jumper on. So yeah, it was a nice evening, and I'm just gonna go and grab my things and get things ready for tomorrow, because I've got to get a post ready for tomorrow, and then I've got to do some bits and pieces for Monday. And I just wanted to update everyone and wish you all a lovely evening. So yeah, I'm gonna go now.